The Muslim League 1906. The Muslim League was established in December 1906 under the leadership of Nawab Salimullah in Dhaka, now known as Dhaka, which is present in Bangladesh. So in the year 1906 there was a separate organization which was established by the Muslim people, and it is known as the Muslim League, and it was under the leadership of Nawab Salimullah Khan, and he was from Dhaka, and the Dhaka is present in Bangladesh. Aga Khan and others also joined the Muslim League. So Aga Khan and other members also joined the Muslim League. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a prominent Congress leader, joined the Muslim League in 1903. So a famous leader known as Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he joined the Muslim League in the year 1913. The main objective of the Muslim League were as follows: to promote among the Muslims a feeling of loyalty towards the British government. So one of the objective of the Muslim League is that to promote or to aware the Muslim in a feeling of loyalty towards the British government. That means they should be loyal to the British government, so that by giving their loyalty to the British government, they can finally get a separate you can say a state for them, or a separate representative in the coming election in the British government, to protest and promote and political rights of the Muslims. So the other objective of the Muslim League is that they want to protect and promote the political rights of the Muslims, to prevent feeling of hostility towards other communities. So they wanted to protect their culture, and they also want to prevent the feelings of different types of, and they should respect to the other communities, just like other communities are getting respect in the British government. In the same way, Muslims should also get the same respect and loyalty. The League served as a political platform for upper class Muslims. So the Muslim League served as a political or a base foundation for the upper class of the Muslim. It supported the partition of Bengal. So the Muslim League supported the partition of Bengal. The League demanded special safeguard for Muslim in government services. So even the Muslim League demanded a separate reservation for the Muslims in the government service. In 1906, it appeared to the Viceroy for separate electorate. So in the year 1906, it appealed to the Viceroy that we the Muslims want a separate electorate. This meant that the Muslim voters could elect Muslim representatives. So as they were demanding for the separate electorates, that means the Muslim voters can directly elect to the Muslim representative in an election. The introduction of separate electorates sounded the death knell of the national unity. It was the first definite step on the roads of the partition of India. So we can say that the Muslim League demands for the separate electorates, it was the first step on the path that finally leads to the partition of India, and due to the demand of the separate electorates, the national unity was broken.